I'm standing in the bedroom at the rental renovation, and as you can see, we're actually still using it for all of our construction storage. We're finishing up the whole basement apartment, so once those projects are completed, all the stuff will be moved out. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the space, how it is now, point out some things that need to be finished, and hopefully you'll get a better layout of the space. Since filming this video, we've had the chance to install all of the baseboards. We've also installed the smoke and CO detectors on the ceiling and in all the other bedrooms as well. We need to install some blinds on the windows because it's pretty bright. I also still have to paint all the doors and install the hardware, so hopefully we can get that done soon. We still have to do the baseboard throughout the rest of the apartment, but we have them measured and just need to cut and install them. But for now, let me show you the dresser makeover I did. I have my dresser here and I'm planning on sanding and painting the drawers. I'm going to leave the top and the sides stained as it is. I might do a bit of touch-ups on the top. There's some water spots, but I really wanted to do a nice two-toned look. And right now I think this is like a painted wood as opposed to stained, so I might paint this and I might leave it this color. I'm going to see how it ends up. I'm going to keep all the original hardware because this is pretty unique. I've taken it off of this and you can see that it has a huge hole in it, so that's not something that I might be able to replace. So I'm just going to keep it as it is, and I'm probably going to keep them this black color. I might do them brass, we'll see. And for now I'm just saving the hardware in the drawer itself. I really like the inside of these drawers. They're like a super fun bright teal color, and although it doesn't really match the room, I am going to keep it because I think it's a fun, probably original detail of a dresser. So essentially I'm just going to be sanding and painting all of the parts that were stained, so it'll be kind of like a new dresser. I gave the dresser a quick cleaning, and then I sanded the drawers and gave one coat of fusion paint in the bayberry color. The color was a bit light and gray for me, and I was looking for something a bit darker and possibly greener. So I mixed up some other colors I had and tested it out. Eventually I came up with a good mix between bayberry, park bench, and ash. So it's a nice deep but not too bright green, and I think it really contrasts well with the original stain on the dresser. I'm also still thinking of changing the handles to a brass color, but we'll see how that turns out.